So, once again, a very good morning to everyone. And today, I want to begin with a metaphor. A lighthouse doesn't chase ships, it stands strong and shines. So, just think about, has something ever stopped you in the middle of a perfectly ordinary day? Maybe it was smell of a chai your mother made on a rainy morning, or the way your colleague quietly stayed late to help you finish a deadline, or even a stranger on, let's say, Delhi Metro who gave up their seat without being asked. I didn't even look back to take credit for it. Small things, but somehow unforgettable. And now ask yourself, why do we remember those people? What made them different? Now, they weren't the loudest voice in the room. They didn't send a motivational WhatsApp forward at 7 a.m. And they definitely weren't standing on a stage like anybody else or the some celebrity. But they had something, a kind of quiet, steady light about them. So today we are going to talk about that, about becoming a lighthouse. So think about Sunita, a working mom in Gurgaon. She's managing a toddler at home, managing a team at the office, managing dal on one burner and a presentation on the another. And one morning, everything falls apart. The nanny calls in sick. Her boss moves the meeting. Her husband has an important call. You know the kind, mysteriously timed to last exactly as long as the crisis. But here's what Sunita does. She takes one breath, she makes a list, she calls her neighbor, not to complain, but to problem solve. And she walks into that office, greets a team with a genuine good morning, and somehow that whole floor just settled down. That's not superhuman. That's a lighthouse. She didn't fix everyone's problems. She was simply steady, and her steadiness gave others permission to be steady too. Now let's talk about Meena. She's a homemaker in a joint family in Jaipur. And if you think homemakers don't lead, I would like you to meet a joint family for just 1 week and reconsider that opinion. And for all of us, you can definitely talk to Usha ji about what life in a joint family is. So, Meena doesn't raise her voice when her mom in law and her sister in law are arguing over kitchen schedules. She doesn't take sides. She doesn't gossip. She walks in, make tea for both of them, and asks very calmly, okay, what can we fix today? In fact, with this line, even I am getting the idea, okay, अपनी नाराज बीवी को कैसे मनाना है. That could be a good way. So over time, the family comes to her with their problems, not because she's the eldest, not because she has a degree on the wall, but because they know whatever I bring to Meena, I will not be judged and I will leave a little lighter. So that is leadership through presence, consistent, calm, and clear. And before the gentlemen in the room think this is session only for the ladies, let me introduce you to Rajan. Rajan is a middle manager in Pune. His team is young, anxious, slightly terrified of deadlines. And in most offices, that means the manager cracks the whip. But Rajan does something unusual. Every Monday morning, he says 4 words before the meeting starts. How was your weekend? Not a small talk. He actually listens. He remembers that Arjun's mother was unwell, that Priya was moving houses, that Karthik had his first cricket match with his son. He never tells his team to be more motivated. He shows them that their life matters to someone at work. And his team, they don't just meet deadlines, they protect each other's deadlines because Rajan's light caught something in them. And we often think leadership means fixing everyone or inspiring everyone or being the person with all the answers. But let me tell you, the most powerful thing you can do for someone is simply not fall apart when they do. Your teenager comes home and slams the door. If you respond with panic or anger, you have become just another storm for them to weather. But if you knock gently after 10 minutes and say, I'm here whenever you are ready, you have become the lighthouse. You don't have to have the answers. You just have to be the kind of person someone can see from a distance. And know, okay, there's land. I can make it. So let's do an exercise. Close your eyes for just a moment. Yes, please. And think of one person in your life who is going through something difficult right now. Person can be a colleague, a child, a parent, a friend, a neighbor, maybe your spouse, anybody. And ask yourself honestly, how can I guide this person today? Not through words, but through my actions. Yes. Ask yourself. Maybe it means listening without interrupting. Or maybe it means putting your phone down when they talk. And maybe it's just showing up without being asked. Yes. Think who that person can be and what you can do just by being present there. And please open your eyes. You know, in the olden days, lighthouse keepers had one job. They didn't swim out to the ships. They didn't shout instructions into the ocean. They simply kept the flame burning. Night after night, storm after storm, and somewhere out on the water, Captain looked up, saw the light, and made it home. So you don't have to change the world today. You just have to keep your flame burning. Your stability is someone else's safety. Your calmness is someone else's courage. And your consistency is someone else's compass. So you may never know whose storm you help someone survive simply by being the light they could count on. So here's your one call to action, not a 21-day challenge, not a habit tracker, just one thing. Today, be the person who makes someone feel less alone, not through grand gestures, but through presence, through steadiness, through that quiet, consistent, unshakable light. So I can simply say, be the lighthouse. So, with that thought, thank you. Thank you, everyone, for joining us today. Thank you.
Thank you, Kapil ji.
Thank you, Kapil ji. Thank you, everyone.
And
Thank you,
today is
sir. Thank you.
Sunday. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. And today is Sunday. So, let's hear what has been going on in your lives. If you want to share, इस पूरे हफ्ते में क्या किया, कुछ नया, कुछ एक्शन लिया आप लोगों ने, प्लीज शेयर.
मैं बोलूं?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
आज मुझे बड़ी उत्साह है. Yes, action में तो ये था for me this whole week. Last Sunday I recorded a podcast with one of my friend and वो कल उसने रिलीज किया अपने YouTube पे. तो for me the biggest challenge was to face the camera पहले रील्स बनाने में कपिल जी हैड सपोर्टेड मी, वो मेरे पीछे 24 से है, और मैंने शुरुआत 25 एंड एंड में शुरू किया।
हाथ धो के
ऑलमोस्ट
पीछे पड़ गया था मैं, बनाओ बनाओ
डेढ़
बनाओ।
डेढ़ साल के बाद आई स्टार्टेड मेकिंग रील्स। तो पहला कैमरा फियर उन्होंने तोड़ा मेरा, दूसरा और उसी के आगे लेके जाने में इज लिस पॉडकास्ट। वन फाइन डे वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड मैसेज मी, एंड मैंने बोला ठीक है, रात को मैंने बोला ठीक है करते हैं, एंड वो 4 दिन में पॉडकास्ट रिकॉर्डिंग करने के लिए बोल दिया उसके फ्रेंड को। एंड या फॉर मी, मतलब वो वहां आना, वो बोलना ना, कल देख के मैं 10 बार देख रही हूँ अपने आप को, मैं ही हूँ ना, मैं ही बोल रही हूँ ना। So that is the achievement for me, a breakthrough for me, that I came in front of me and came out of my comfort zone.
Wow, wow.
So
So
thank you so
finally you
much,
took action.
everyone. Yeah. उस
And
दिन
that too in Hindi.
that too
And
in
that,
हिंदी। सो हिंदी पूरा हिंदी में बोलने बोला था उन्होंने, कि उनको हिंदी जो भी ऑडियंस थी, दो द पर्सन इज फ्रॉम यूके, वो मिक्स करते हैं, इंग्लिश वाला करते हैं, बट इनको ये हिंदी में ही चाहिए था ग्राफोलॉजी वाला। तो वो मेरे लिए एक चैलेंज था, और वो कहीं ठीक है मैनेज हो गया जैसे। बट फर्स्ट के लिए अच्छा था।
yes,
Yes.
it's great that you took action. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you so
Congratulations,
much.
Sejal ji.
Thank you to Graphotherapy, Graphology, and the community. आज 1 साल we have completed this morning sessions. I mean, we completed on 1st of April. So, of course, this every day consistently writing in the community with everyone, that also, somewhere brings the changes within you, which we might not even realize it. तो ये जो रोज मेडिटेशन कराती हूँ, लाइव कराती हूँ ना, कपिल जी ने एग्जाम्पल भी दिया कि सेजल, यू आर डूइंग लाइव मेडिटेशन बट यू आर नॉट एबल टू रिकॉर्ड। सी दैट फियर इनसाइड मी वाज कि मैं रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं कर सकती जो मेरे हाथ में है। मैं 10 बार रिकॉर्डिंग कर सकती थी रील्स को, स्टिल आई वाज नॉट डूइंग इट। और लाइव आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट कि हाँ मैं बोल दूंगी। So yes, this 1 year of journey with you people, the community, everybody has helped me to be where I am today. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations, Sejal ji. That's lovely.
Yeah.
हम वेट कर रहे हैं कि
Congratulations.
कब आपकी पॉडकास्ट है शेयर करेगा, वेटिंग टू बी रिलीज्ड।
Yes, yes, it's
हाँ
released
बिल्कुल,
yesterday.
ग्रुप में लिंक शेयर कर दीजिएगा, हाँ, so that every can have
Sure.
watch it.
वाह,
और उषा जी इज ऑन अ न्यू जर्नी नाउ, ठीक है, तो शी इज फाइनली रिटायर्ड टू डू समथिंग बिग। सो अर्लियर शी वाज अ टीचर, नाउ शी इज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, राइट? सो इनकी आइडेंटिटी चेंज हो गई है। सो एनीथिंग उषा जी यू वांट टू शेयर?
Blessed morning, everyone. Many things in the pipeline, yes. A lot of opportunities are coming to me, which there was a fear. I told you there was a fear. What if? What if? But that fear is subsiding somehow. Why? Because many opportunities, there are many, I'm not ready for the post of principal, I told you earlier, but I got this opportunity from 3 schools that I have said not now, because I don't want to be in that job for a way, because that is 5 principals are there for till 5 p.m. and that is not possible for me. And yes, now I am as a phonics teacher also, phonics trainer, and I have students. Right now I'm in my hometown. I'm in Bihar, Patna. So where I not born but brought up, my schooling and everything.
दैट्स व्हाई शी इज
So
लुकिंग यंग टुडे, है ना? अपने घर पहुंच गई है, राइट? सी द इम्पैक्ट। So she's looking like a young entrepreneur.
and there are people around, everybody's talking. मैं सबको बोल रही चुप रहो मैम। And yes, here also it's a joint family, and in there also it's a joint family. Many people have grown among many people, like Sir said. There are also 17 people if my sister-in-laws are not there. जो मेरे husband की बहनें नहीं होती, 10-17 people are there at home.
Wow.
Here also, there are about 8 to 10 people. So we are, yes. And like yesterday only, I got, like I'm using the kind of skills that my passion has always been grammar, English grammar. And I'm proud to say that I'm very good at it and very confident also. So, yes, yesterday I got an opportunity. Today, the owner will be calling me. He's an army officer. He runs an institute for preparation of SSC and UPSC students. And for communication skills and spoken English, he'll be calling me today. And per hour payment also, he is ready to give. So I'll be giving just 1 or 2 hours. So I have ample, like whatever I've done all these days, I'll be using that along with graphology. And might be my brother is in the BIA, Bihar Industrial Association. So yesterday there was a meeting. So he did not mention that it's my sister, but he said there's a lady who is in town and she is a graphologist. She's handwriting too. There might be a session they are planning because they have their own agendas. So I'll be uh, asking for someone's PPT definitely so that for kids handwriting I had made, not for adults. I have not yet made. So might be Sir has also done, Sejal ji has also done. So let me
Anytime,
see.
Usha ji.
Anytime, anytime.
Anytime.
So whatever is my brother said, be ready with both. Let me say, I'm just crossing my fingers. So this is a lot positive shift, I can say. Ever since I've retired, for 1st of April was the retirement from the school, and my family also gave me a grand like surprise and welcome. They welcomed me that, and they had put up a banner. The
Yeah,
legend
I
has
watched that
retired.
video you had posted. I had so wonderful cake, beautiful cake was there.
Cake and Ren and Martin,
Ren and
graphology
Martin book
inside.
on that.
And
Yes,
she's my
yes.
niece. She's my niece.
Okay,
That was
okay.
beautiful, but actually that was beautiful, and a very the welcome part also, the people were welcoming you. I think
Uh,
even in the school also that
Yes, ma'am. What happened that the others, there were 4 of us had retired,
yes.
and the others had given more than three decades to school. I was in this school for just 9 years, but I got the same honor and the kind of respect. Everybody, the principal, even what she spoke for me, that was like very heart touching. I was in tears the way they were, and especially they were like in gratitude for the magazine. They said the way you have handled, because nobody is ready to take that post. That
Mm.
is because it is a management's Damocles sword on the editor. Nothing should go wrong. Because, sir, I would like to tell you, for Tagore Public, not a single penny on advertisement. The magazine speaks. The magazines and the results speak. So that has to be flawless. Flawless. And they said that you have really done wonders and taken the magazine, given a new dimension to it. So
Mm.
last 8 years I had been taking care of it. Even during COVID, like the rest of the schools, none of the schools in Allahabad had given a magazine, but we gave magazine even during COVID when everything was online. So that
So
was
maybe in future we get a session from Usha ji to improve our English also in one of the sessions.
Norm in a
Yes.
fix, because by default, I've learned. I've been in convent for 15 years, and I've been like, simply love this language and this grammar and everything. So I don't know what to teach. So let me see what curriculum I'm getting. So this is what I have to share.
Yeah.
Okay.
ठीक है, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
I have to share one more thing. I forgot. Sorry.
Okay, please,
One
please.
more breakthrough this week.
Yeah,
Uh,
please.
One of my not friend, I met that person in a networking group, and he is into this meta ads and AI. And somewhere another one is into money, buddy. He is into that money manifestation. Money manifestation person I knew, and we met it at networking group. So just next day we met, all three of us, and we decided कि the other guy, the Meta वाला guy का workshop था for Monday to Friday 5 days का, which he did everything for it. 99 में वो workshop दे रहा है just to like वो level वाला सिद्धार्थ के जैसे. So 5 days का उसका workshop था, and he offered that how we three can collab. So I don't know, out of the blue, I said I'm a subconscious rewiring person, so I can work on money blocks. The person is into manifestation, and you are into ad, so we can work that way. So it hit him so well. And before that, because signature को पढ़ के मैंने, I told him 2-3 things which actually hit him, and that is the why he approached me कि आप कैसे help कर सकते हो? How can we three collab? तो this triangle was formed, and Monday itself, उसका Monday से Saturday we met. Monday को बोलता है कि मेरे को मेरा वर्कशॉप है, आप उसमें अपना वेबिनार दे दो. आई वाज लाइक कि वेबिनार, मैंने सर खुजाया मेरा कि भाई अभी तुम लोग सब बॉम्ब मत फेंको. मतलब संडे को पॉडकास्ट, ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे में वो बोला मैं वेबिनार करना है, मतलब 15 मिनट्स का स्लॉट देगा इन हिज प्रोग्राम. So I was like कि ठीक है. And I don't know how, both the times I said instant yes to them, even to my friend and to this guy. And yeah, I got this opportunity for 15 minutes का slot. तो PPT नहीं था, तो PPT का मैंने content खाली रखा, and I shared with them. तो उन्होंने, one of the person made a PPT for me. सीधा इंस्टेंट 15-20 मिनट में तो मेरे पास पीपीटी आ गया था बन के. वो टेक्नोलॉजी मुझे नहीं आती है, आई टेक टाइम, और इन लोग सब ने वो ऑनलाइन एआई में डाल के सब कुछ कर दिया.
आई टेल यू इसका
तो
15
पीपीटी
मिनट वाला.
रेडीमेड आ गया. हाँ, पीपीटी रेडीमेड आ गया मेरे पास. तो आई वाज लाइक कि ठीक है चलो, एंड मुझे डिलीवर करना था. फर्स्ट टाइम, नो स्क्रिप्ट, नथिंग. कपिल जी, मैंने आपसे बताया नहीं, आई फॉरगॉट टू शेयर यू, मैंने स्क्रिप्ट नहीं बनाई थी. I had made no script at all, and straight away वो पीपीटी देख के, अपने एग्जांपल्स देख के मैंने, हाँ जस्ट आई वेंट थ्रू, क्योंकि पीपीटी मेरे पास उसी दिन सुबह आई थी मतलब 3 घंटे पहले. और 3 घंटे में हमने मिला, हमारी मीटिंग थी, उसके बाद मैंने पीपीटी जस्ट आई वेंट थ्रू, रोल्ड ऑन, और 2 घंटे के बाद मैंने वो प्रेजेंटेशन दे दिया था. सो दिस इज अगेन अ ब्रेक थ्रू. इफ दिस क्लिक्स, तो मे बी उसके साथ आई विल
Nice.
टेक दिस फॉरवर्ड.
नहीं, आप देखो, व्हेन वी टेक एक्शन कितनी खुशी होती है, राइट?
वो
So
खुशी हो रही है,
yes,
आज मुझे दिख रही
be
है
an action taker.
आप लोग के साथ बैठ
Things
के ज्यादा
start
दिख रही है.
aligning. तो जब
Yes,
तक एक्शन
yeah,
नहीं लो, एंड इसके लिए मैं बताऊंगी, इफ यू हैव द कंटेंट, ओके, गामा एआई, सीधे जाके अपना
yeah.
कंटेंट पेस्ट करिए, एंड यू 10 स्लाइड्स है, फ्री में 10 स्लाइड्स होता है, ठीक है,
हाँ,
10 स्लाइड्स, अब फिर उससे ज्यादा नहीं होता. एंड यू
right.
जस्ट से हाँ, एंड गिव द कंटेंट एंड विथ पिक्चर एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड इफ यू वांट टू एडिट यू कैन एडिट, और उसमें हर स्लाइड पे गामा लिखा होता है, यू कैन रिप्लेस दैट आल्सो.
हाँ, we can replace
Okay.
that. Yes, yes,
वो
yes,
That
yes.
is editable.
now I will work on this also, क्योंकि
जस्ट
कंटेंट मैंने
5 मिनट्स भी नहीं लगेगा आपको, बस कंटेंट पेस्ट करने में जो टाइम लगेगा, एंड एडिटिंग में. अदरवाइज विद इन नो टाइम योर पीपीटी इज रेडी. ब्यूटिफुल पीपीटीज.
I
I
mean,
made
this
of
guy
phonetics.
also made it. This guy who also made it ना, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था वो पिक्चर. थोड़ा कंटेंट ज्यादा था, मतलब मैंने जो भेजा था उससे उसने और ऐड कर दिया था उसमें. तो आई वाज लाइक कि ठीक है चलो, मुझे उससे मुझे तो जो बोलना है, मेरे को मेरा ही बोलना है, खाली पीपीटी का एक एक हेडिंग ले लेके मैं बोलने जा रही थी अपने हिसाब से. बट इट वाज वेरी नाइस, तो मुझे वो अच्छा लगा था. तो आई टोल्ड हिम कि भाई मुझे सिखाओ.
So now, anybody else? Malika ji, you want to share it? बहुत दिन बाद, let's hear you also. बहुत दिन बाद आपकी आवाज सुनी है हमने.
Nice to see
Yeah,
you.
it's good to be back. Like I said, yeah, there's been a few setbacks, but I'm really looking forward to again, bringing myself up and hoping for the best. Yeah, so
Yeah.
it really feels good to hear all of your stories. So maybe hopefully I can get to that level someday. Yes.
Yeah, definitely,
Yeah,
definitely. You will be
definitely. We
there.
all are together.
Anyone
We all
can
are
do it.
together.
Yes. We are a
Malika ji,
family,
Thank you.
if
right?
I can do it, you can do it.
Can
Yes.
Simple
yes.
है.
Yes, yes, yes. Very true, very true. Thank you, Malika ji.
Thank you.
Um,
Thank you so much.
Sanjeev ji, anything you want to share?
तो दिस वीक माय नेक्स्ट लेवल अचीवमेंट इसकी मेरा हर महीने का टारगेट होता है कि अपने जो सूर्य नमस्कार करता हूँ, सूर्य नमस्कार, उसको एक लेवल ऊपर ले जाना है। एवरी मंथ एक सेट एक्स्ट्रा। तो मैंने स्टार्ट करा था 1 से, एक महीने बाद उसको 2 पे लाया ताकि बॉडी बिल्कुल ट्यून्ड हो जाए। तो आई एम सो हैप्पी कि मैंने 1 अप्रैल आते ही नया वीक आया था, मैंने फिर से एक और बढ़ा दिया एंड इट फेल्ट सो कंफर्टेबल। ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि मैंने कुछ बढ़ाया। So that is why one of the thing.
How many is it now?
I've reached to 3 now.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. Target for this year is 11. अपना आप अभी 4th month है, 3 हो गया, दिसंबर तक 11 हो जाएगा.
Exactly.
With all the other yoga things, because I'm not a very fascinating person about जिसमें अंदर पैशन है कि एक्सरसाइज करनी है, हार्ड वर्क करना है, बिल्कुल नहीं, मैं बड़ा रिलैक्स रहने वाला आदमी हूँ. तो वो
नहीं नहीं, बट
सिंपल सिंपल 3 स्टेप के काम करता हूँ. तो उसमें एक ये है, एक दिस इज वन अचीवमेंट. सेकेंड इज दैट आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर कि जैसे आई एम अ फर्म, मेरे को ना विपश्यना टेक्निक बड़ी अच्छी लगती है. अब विपश्यना टेक्निक में एक बोलते हैं कि इट इज सच अ पावरफुल टेक्निक गिवन बाय बुद्धा that it is itself a total liberating process and evolve in liberation. And then there was a shock for me around 3 years ago when they said कि जो विपश्यना अगर जेन्युइनली रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो तो यू शुड नॉट प्रैक्टिस एनी अदर टेक्निक. दे आर नॉट प्रमोटिंग देमसेल्फ, दे आर सेइंग, रीजन बताया उन्होंने कि दो पावरफुल टेक्निक्स को अगर आप एक साथ करोगे तो दे में क्लैश विद ईच अदर. इट्स लाइक दो ब्रह्मास्त्र आपस में टकरा रहे हैं, जो हम दिखाते हैं ना वॉर में दिखाते हैं. तो वो ये बताते हैं. तो दैट्स व्हाट दे सेड कि देखो आप या तो भक्ति में रहो या विपश्यना में रहो, या अपनी विपश्यना के थ्रू भक्ति को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लो, विपश्यना प्रैक्टिस छोड़ दो. मतलब वो ऐसे बताते हैं. तो आई रियली डिड माई ओन वे एंड आई रियलाइज मुझे भक्ति इज ओके, विपश्यना अच्छा लगता है. तो अभी इस वीक में हम लोग ओंकारेश्वर और उज्जैन गए थे, महाकाल.
महाकाल,
फैमिली
हाँ.
फैमिली के साथ गए थे. अब जाते हुए मेरे को रास्ते में क्वेश्चन आया था, या दो पावरफुल एरिया में जा रहा हूँ, दो पावरफुल स्टेट में जाओ, ज्योतिर्लिंग है दोनों वहां पर, ओके. और वहां जाकर मैं अपने आप को कैसे बैलेंस रखता हूँ कि मैं एक पावर को पकड़ के सकूं. और ये भी नहीं होता कि आप इस मोमेंट में ये पावर, इस मोमेंट में ये पावर. सम हाउ ऑन दी वे मेरे को रियलाइज हुआ कि ओके, हाउ कैन आई बी देयर विद माई विपश्यना पावर. And that is where I could make it, and that made me so extra energetic, extra powerful. I felt like okay, मैं बहुत light हो गया. So this is how is my achievement for this week. That
Awesome.
how did I manage? Someday I would like to share कि ऐसे कैसे कर सकते हैं, but really that's where it worked me, and I feel so great कि yes, I think ये सारा का सारा स्टेप ना हमारे सारी टेक्निक्स को मिला के, ग्राफोथेरेपी, सुबह के डिस्कशन, सारी चीजें. That's powerful. That's an achievement for me for this week.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.